I have found this website by Google search, and I'm saying there is outdated styles for this website. So what is outdated? Here is the main menu. After the video going to up, the main menu is sticky menu or fixed menu in dock. But what is looking ugly is the border. You can see this border is showing so high. The border height must be like the font size height. That's like this button height. So this height is looking not looking proportional and looking so much height here. Here is the small font. Cannot readable. Also the font color is gray in the black, so it is not so much readable. Then you can see the image is so left here, and there is no padding or no space in this area here. This is not good. Here there is little bit space in the left side of this text, but in the right side there is no space. There must be any space to look good, and the images and text must be inside this gray area. Maybe this is the container. I don't know. This is the design, but the text is not looking good here. Uh, this may be a design, so that this image, a part of this image will be inside this gray area. This may be a design, but if we can see here, you can see that the text is going to outside of this gray area, which is not good. It is not professional. Trust me. Here you can see the link is going to outside of the viewport, so this is also not good. We do not see what is the entire letter here, so this need to fix this for this website. Here how this area would look good if we can see the text is going to outside here. We can fix it. Let me see what is going on here. Here is the background color, so the gray color is here. It has a white. Let We can copy this white and we can keep this white for this container. Let's keep this white here and then keep margin auto. Then yes, it is now looking good. Now we need to keep the white 100% here, so it will take the entire viewport and leave 0. Now you can see it is looking a little bit nicer, but here it is need more space, so we can increase the padding. left padding left padding 20 pixel for this part, and for this part also 20 pixel for padding, right? Now it is looking a little bit more professional, so the both side have any space and the text is looking nice. There is no hover effect for the social icon. We can create hover effect, but first we need to fix this. The menu is going to outside of the viewport. The more important part of this website is that it is missing icon. Yeah, icon is missing. So what is icon? Here should be an icon. So what is icon? It is called favicon. Icon is just like logo. The most important thing of this website is that it is missing of its icon. Icon is an identity of an website. Let's see. Display icon is for YouTube. This UP icon is for Upwork. This bar icon is for freelancer.com. This is SEO plug. This is WhatsApp icon. This is ChatGPT icon, and so on. This is Gmail icon. So icon is as like a logo of an website and an identity of an website. But this website is missing icon. So this need to fix. And here large border. It is border, but it uses so large border. Where is the border? You can see this is the border, but it is height is much more and not looking so nice. The height must be like this button height, or the as like the text height. Okay, the font color here need to change and need to increase this font, or at least need to change the font color like this so that it can be readable. Okay, now this website looking a bit nicer. And now we will say here you can see there is an space here, and also here is an space. It would be should be like this line alignment, and here should be like in this alignment. So why there is an space, let us say you can see here there is a padding only. If we remove this padding, you can see this element will be fixed. Now you can see this alignment and this alignment is looking nice. So if we refresh this page, all of our CSS will gone. Now we need to check this page. In the here is one error, you can see. So the error is that it is missing favicon.io. That is the icon here. The website identity icon is missing. It is showing. Now if we see this website in mobile, or let's say we are checking as like uh, this mobile device, so how it would look like. Let here you can see this is not going to full wide. This block must go to full wide. You can see this why this fix here, but it must go to full wide in mobile devices. So we need to increase this wide We need to find the white here. Maybe use this fixed white. We can keep white 100%. No, it is not going to 100%. I do not know why CSS is not working. Here is the max white if preventing to going to 100%. Now it should look nice. This white is 100% now. Then other thing looking nice, but this logo is looking so big here. Need to reduce this logo size a little bit. Now these texts are showing in the text. This is newsletter text. Okay, so this is looking nice now. And this is disk slider or carousel making the website height increase and decrease. This is not good. Also another thing is that here the menu icons are not visible for few video colors as like white or something. Now it is readable, but here you can see it is not. In here you can see sometimes it is not readable or visible. So maybe they are using an image. Here is the image. We can increase this 3 bar height. We can increase this height so that it should be visible to any background video color. Okay, so these are the things for this website. The most important thing is that this website is missing its icon. Icon must be there, as like icon is the identity of an website. This website looking so much outdated. It's need to fix and update it. If we go to any page of this website as like this page, then you can see what is looking like. This block is smooth still. That is okay. For this image block there is no hover effect. So when I am entering the mouse to any of the image block, the image is there is no showing any hover effect. We can create an hover effect. So how we can create hover effect? Let's see. This is very easy. Transition 0.3 second. Now when this block will be hover, then let's make it hover. Then IMG will have something. Let's add this. So when this block will be hover, then IMG will have a transform scale. It's like 1.1. Then this need overflow hidden. Now you can see if we hover, there is little bit image zoom in out effect. You can do many other effects by mouse over, or you can create this website more professional by adding more hover effects, animation, or more visual appealing nice things. You can do this in many ways. I think this website needs update. Any of these website pages missing its main icon. Website icon is missing for all of these website pages. This need to fix first. Here I am seeing an icon, but this is for another domain, not for this domain. The icon is missing. This is the icon and the logo is the same for this website, but the icon is missing. Okay, thank you.